5 and 8. Hindi na, huwag na natin oo. Simple question na naman to. Ano po ang ingredient na may baby corn? Just joking. Okay, since President Bongbong Marcos Jr. announced that i-delay for a month ang rehabilitation of EDSA. EDSA. Ano po ang masasabi niyo tungkol doon? And ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng EDSA kung alam niyo? Baka kasi EDSA lang. Kaya natin, contestant number 8, yan. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng EDSA? Ha? Ay, ako, hindi niyo alam. Kasi contestant number 5, how about you? What is EDSA? Ano? Sino ba si EDSA? My gosh, hindi na ako. It's a simple question. So, since hindi nyo alam yung sagot, contestant number 5 and 8, pwede kayo mag-stand muna doon sa corner habang iniisip nyo. It's, sinong nakakaalam? Kita nyo, parang pinamukha ng mga co-contestants nyo na hindi kayo magaling. Hindi, pero what can you say about that? So, what's your comment about the 1 month delay? Is it good or you want more extend yung before they start the rehabilitation of EDSA, or is it good also for the coronation of Binibining Pilipinas kasi hindi ma-apektuhan ang EDSA before the coronation, right? Okay. Tignan natin kung sino mas meeting sumagot sa inyong dalawa. Contestant number 5 and 8.
Personally po, as an architecture student, I see that the delay for the rehabilitation of EDSA would be good for further assessment, especially since if we rehabilitate EDSA, the first and foremost na apektuhan are the commuters. And I think that delaying it would give the government, especially the commuters, more time to adjust and for the government to further perfect how we will be able to implement the rehabilitation of EDSA.
Well said, pero sayang, hindi ko alam ang ibig sabihin. Kasi yung puntos doon eh. So, contestant number 8.
Okay, minus 2 na po pala kami. So, ano po, for me naman, parang iba naman yung perspective ko. Kasi Philippines, napakatagal na nating naghahantay ng innovation, kumbaga. And ito, yung sa rehabilitation ng EDSA, is hindi naman to yung one day na tatakpan yung buong kalsada ng EDSA. It's by lane, as far as I know, na nasa news na, by lane siya. So, somehow, hindi naman din masyado maapektuhan. Yes, traffic, but sino ba naman tayong new sa traffic, di ba? Andito na tayo sa Philippines. So, if we will be given a chance to do it, to rehabilitate it, why not? Kasi ito yung isang chance ng Philippines to recover sa traffic. And maybe someday, iba hindi lang EDSA yung ma-rehabilitate. Some other avenue, ano nga ulit girls? Visitation nga ulit tayo girls. One more, 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, hindi lang yun. Hindi lang EDSA. And Panyo de Los Santos Avenue. Hindi na ako minus 2 ha.
Very well said. And I'm so glad natuto kayong dalawa ngayon.
Yes.
Anong ibig sabihin?
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.